Hi guys, so this is my new cases for my iPhone 13. I did just pick these up from eBay. They were pretty cheap. I just wanted to make sure they had a cover for it just because I dropped it, knowing me. But yeah, let's get into the iPhone. This is the iPhone 13. This is the pink edition. It's absolutely beautiful. It doesn't have the cellophane wrap on it, but it does have these two little white tabs, and they're pretty satisfying to be fair, but not as good as like the cellophane, but I see where they're trying to go with this. But yeah, this is just me opening the box. Pretty satisfactory really with these little tabs. And yeah guys, I had to get the pink one. So this is what it looks like. Ta-da! How beautiful is that? It's like a beautiful baby pink sort of colour. A lot of people were saying that they weren't very satisfied with the colour, but I think it's actually really, really nice. So yeah, this is the pink edition. And I'm basically just going to go ahead and set it up and stuff. So if you do want another video with a what's on my iPhone, then just let me know. And this is just all that you get in the box, really pretty plain and simple. But yeah, this is my new iPhone. I'm just going to play about with it and set it up and stuff. And I might possibly do a what's on my iPhone if you guys want to see that.